What if you could walk into your next bid with a fully prepared professional proposal at no cost? Hi everyone, this is Mehdi from SolarEx in Berkeley, California. One of the services we offer contractors is helping prepare custom proposals for their specific jobs. For example, this is an application guide we prepared for a 91,200 square feet metal roof in New York based on actual site photos with step-by-step instructions for the job. And in another case, we designed a cool roof coding system for Amazon warehouses in Dubai, including full system details and comparisons with other materials. We believe documents like these take you one step ahead, not as a marketing trick, but because they help your customer clearly understand what's going to happen on their roof. And that builds trust. If you want to try this for your next project, feel free to reach out. We are happy to help. Talk to you soon.